देखो भाई now the rain is started और yeah. Hey guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my new vlog. How are you all? So guys, see Boomer. What Boomer? And देखो भाई, today is day 3 and still the weather condition is like this only. You guys. And देखो भाई, उधर पूरा water because of rain. My land, this place filled with water. देखो भाई today also भैया today also so much wind. ओ बहुत ठंडा है भाई. अरे यार. Oh, this is the situation of present AP. देखो भाई now the rain is started और yeah. अरे यार very boring यार. Continuously 3 days raining. But Boomer is chilling. Yeah, Boomer. Oh, what Boomer? Hmm? Uish. No. I don't want to play with you now. बहुत ठंडी लग रही है. Boomer, चलो जाएंगे. चलो. देखो भाई now the weather is very cool and the land is full wet. ओ भाई पावर कट भाई. पावर नहीं है यार. सडनली पावर कट. We have to be careful because in at my house we have so many lizard snakes. Oh, see guys, this all place filled with water. Come on Boomer. हाँ पावर आएगा. So I am going outside and today we buying tiffin. That's why today we didn't cook anything. So that's why let's go out and drink some breakfast. And so guys, बहुत ठंडा है guys. As finally we brought tiffin and spoon. Fork. Huh? Yes, steady. Okay. Yes, I brought roti and onion and only lemon. Okay, let me have this first. So दोस्तों मेरा डिनर ख़त्म हो गया and now I am editing the video. So guys, this is the overall video and so guys, वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो चैनल को लाइक कर देना और को सब्सक्राइब कर देना and thank you for watching. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में and टाटा बाय.